We back with more Lies of P. My chair is stuck on something. Nope, stuck on nothing. So yeah, back with more Lies of P. Just got done fighting a giant electrified puppet officer. So now we're just gonna go from here. She just gave me it. Okay, I'll take it. And how much does it weigh? 7.9. And I'm not above the weight limit. Nice. So just a quick demonstration for how good this is. 2483. We're gonna wait for the electricity to wear off, and then we're gonna try it again. 2115. So an extra 300 damage. I think I still prefer the fire because the fire is damage over time. It is hard really to choose between fire and lightning because both of them are so good. If you can have both, then the game's probably gonna be a cakewalk. But I feel like you can only have one. It's the cat. The cat is not fond of puppets. Hello, hello. I forgot about the electric chair. Anyways, hello, hello. Alright. So what type of P organ shall I get? I'm gonna get more ergo when I defeat enemies. I'll do Fable Arts. Now I have 5 heals, or 5 pulse cells, that's what they're called. I should be getting close to the weapon I need. Oh, you're big and scary. Let's go this way, we go this way. We go this way, 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 we go this way. Alright, let's fight after I give this guy an oil change. Who spit at me? Oh, you're not a puppet. If you are, then you are one scary puppet. I mean, I'm definitely gonna do some tests to see which is better, the glaive or the big wrench.
By morning, it walks on feet numbering 4. At midday, just 2. No less and no more. It walks on 3 feet when the evening arrives. And if you solve this, then I'll know you're alive.
Is it?
Correct.
That was a good guess.
Sight caller. And even a puppet can be accidentally correct just by random chance.
I'm not good at riddles, so yeah, maybe, am I a puppet? Okay, so I am gonna go level up. I'm going to see when I go get that wrench. After that, I will make more progress. I'll do it. Wanna tough it out? Oh man, I thought that'd do more damage. Do you not get stunned, or is it because I'm not attacking? Oh, there's the Q, and there's that, and oil change. Butterfly. Thank you. Motivity crank, just what I need. That's not scary at all. I'd like to take you to a nice barbecue. I don't want to get barbecue. I'm good on barbecue. So I saw a reel the other day on Kai Cenat's update for Elden Ring. He defeated Fire Giant in, what was it, 97 attempts? Which is a lot less than it took him to do, what's his face? I also saw another reel. Some guy did the math. I don't know what kind of math he did, but he said it would take Kai something like 27 days to beat Elden Ring, start to finish. Again, I don't know what kind of math that individual did, because there's how many required bosses to beat Elden Ring? Let's see. So there's 11 mandatory Elden Ring bosses. Oh, the key opened the store. What? 3 create 1. You open the door. Be with 11 grains. What? A cosmetic and a quartz. That quartz is actually really helpful. I'm actually really curious how effective this glaive is gonna be until like end game. I really am, because all it's done for upgrades is just me upgrading strength. That's it.
Of assistance.
Are you him?
Oh, easy now.
Yep.
Don't need to kill me.
You know, if a guy in a dog mask like that also walked up to me like that, I would also be scared. Okay, I'm gonna get to 500 health. And then, yeah, I want emotivity. Alright. I don't want to know what kind of Lazarus pit ectoplasm stuff that is. This sounds just like my phone alarm and I hate it. Is that the butler? It's a very interesting butler. Where are the eyes? Oh, there they are. Fuoco. No need to be doing all this. Are you gonna shoot? Wow. I knew he was gonna do that. Get up, please. And I lost. A good first run. I pressed the wrong button. Man, how'd I block that? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I still got overheat. Okay. Heal? I just can't get hit, and I win. Lie or die, I don't have a choice, I just keep dying. I don't understand why he is the way he is. Thank you. Oh wait, this is... Can you outrun this? I actually don't know. Oh, okay, so you can. It's a good boss. I'm just getting humbled. Read. Ooh, okay. What was that, 3, 4 tries? High powered flame amplifier, yup. Flame grindstone, yup, that too. I definitely needed that. Perfect. Alright. And I really did forget how fun this game is. And now, the weapon for maybe the rest of the game, a giant wrench. Alright, well that is going to be it for the video. This was a long one, and I almost lost my mind. Thank you sincerely for watching. If you enjoyed, please do like, comment, and subscribe. Helps out with the channel a lot, and I appreciate it. That being said, thank you again, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.